Welcome to another episode of the Daily Market Review and Outlook. Yep, as you can see, my higher time frame target that I marked out from the beginning of the week has been hit. What this means for me is done for the week, right? If you have been following me from the beginning of the week, you can clearly see how I have outlined from the beginning of the week and have explained everything to now hitting the target here. So let me quickly go through the daily chart, the H1 chart to explain or try to see the day's price action. Right, so the day closed here for yesterday, and then I marked out this area and then this level. On the H4, I marked out this H4 FVG, and then I explained that I wanted to see price take out this low into the H4 fair value gap and also confluencing with this H1 order block, right? Because this point here had come to revisit this fair value gap and this order block. So we had another confluence of H4 fair value gap and then an H1 order block, making this area a very strong area of support for me. So market closed here, and then I expected price to take this low out before a continuation. But then as market opened, gapped up and then started consolidating, right? So this is what I did. When I woke up, I marked the gap, right? I marked the gap, extended it, right? And then price was around this area. So I wanted to see this opening gap being used as support to complete the final leg of the market maker buy model. Right? I have explained everything from here all the way to why this opening gap should fail, all of them on my YouTube channel, previous videos. If you watch from Sunday's Outlook, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you would understand everything here. I have basically taken my time to explain order flow and how it works with the higher time frames, right? So I marked out the opening gap and expected price to use that level as support to trade higher. You can see price actually traded in there and then rejected on the M15. This is how it looks like on the M15. So when New York opened, this is New York open, right? I marked this small fair value gap and I extended it. And then I said that I wanted to see, if you can see this diagram here, I wanted to see a break above and a retest for more dollar strength to complete the targets, the first and then the second target being buy side liquidity, right? Which is the equal highs. So that is exactly what happened. It gapped up, traded down, and then consolidated for a bit, came back all the way to fill the gap into where the market gapped up from. And then you can see market broke structure and also broke above this fair value gap that was used as resistance to trade below this low. Let me cut this off. Right, this whole trading area is London. Price came back to take that out, and then we saw an expansion closing above this swing point and also above this fair value gap, and then using that as support for higher prices. So this red level here is Monday's high, and then ultimately the buy side liquidity, which was the main target from Sunday's outlook. On Euro USD, I have held my trade until the target, and then I had another trade here. I would explain to you from yesterday. I marked this high and then this fair value gap, and then said that I wanted to see price come back to it, take this swing high, come to it, and then expect a continuation. That's exactly what happened. But if you go to the M15, you clearly see that we hit it for the first time, failed to go, came back for it, and then we use this fair value gap here. This tiny fair value gap on the M15. We used that to take out this high, and then price closed below it. So I took a trade here. This was one of the easiest trades I have taken this week. Here, then targeted that, which is Monday's low, right? It's a little over 1.6. Yeah, I think that's it. All right. So it was very, 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 very easy. This is the level that was used as support. Went up there to take out these highs, closed below it, go short here, and that's it. Boom. All right. So that's been it for the Euro USD. I also took a trade on cable. That's it. This I took over the night on H1. I'll do another video explaining why I took all of these trades. Perhaps tomorrow evening or Saturday during the weekend when I'm free. I'll do a video on all of the trades I have taken this week. I took one on this, and then on Euro USD, I took 1, 2 trades, and then 3 trades, and then GBP JPY, I took 1 trade on there. So basically, that has been it's very simple. If you watch the videos I did the previous night, you would understand all of this and how everything unfolded, right? But for me, the trading week is done. I don't have anything else, so don't expect me to be in the markets tomorrow. I'm done for the week, and I wouldn't be here to watch the. I've actually averaged about 9% on my account, and I'm about to request for a payout here, funding pips. It's enough for me for this week. So I would end the video here. If this has been any helpful, do like and subscribe, share if you have to, and come back for more exciting episode as we've had. For now, I say bye bye.